What has it meant to me? I'm just not even sure that I know yet really what it's meant to me, but I know it'll change all of us.
It was a shocker, definitely a shocker. I've never seen this amount of destruction, chaos, and the number of bodies needing to be found. Just been outside of what I've ever experienced.
So tell me what we're looking for.
The missing.
Any camp paraphernalia that has words on it that you think might mean something to somebody. We found stuff from Mystic, we found stuff from Camp Arrowhead and other things like that. We want to give that stuff back to the camps, and we certainly want to give it to the families.
We're one big team split into two.
Okay.
So we got 16 guys per team. How many? 16?
35 years.
Yards that way is so much debris that hadn't been seen.
The camaraderie that is showed around places like this is it's amazing. It makes people like me coming in feel the realness of these situations.
So Jason, I'm looking at the debris in this tree above your head. That's way up there. Can you imagine that river that high?
I've got to go over these, over the words again so you can really read them. No, it probably seems kind of silly, like just, painting windows, but it is not silly. We need hope, and even if it's just a glance that shifts somebody's thoughts from like despair. I mean, you don't know who's all seeing this. It's so hard. I went to the first funeral on Saturday. Sweet little Renee was our friend from Mystic. They had this church service Thursday the 3rd. They call it Vespers at Mystic. They praise and worship on the hill. I mean, it's beautiful. The night before it happened, they had Vespers. And he said Jesus was with him at Vespers, and he was with him in the waters, and you have to believe that.
And there's just so many question marks and unknowns to it. Makes it that much more difficult. Amazingly, there's still a lot of smiles. You see the hope. But on the flip side of that coin, there's the desperateness.
He leads me beside still waters, and he restores my soul. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I mean, it says the valley of the shadow of death. I just could not put that on these windows. I just couldn't.
They laid her to rest a couple of days ago.
Pray. I say that's number one in any and everything. pray first and then act.
Volunteering and just doing something for others is such a part of healing. He's with us in the praising, and he was with us with them in the deep waters, and I can hardly say that, but I have to believe it.